So starting the test drive in this Trailblazer LT, I'm glad I drove this back to back with an LS that had all-wheel drive with the 1.3 and the 9-speed, because comparatively, I can't really see a difference right off the bat in terms of the acceleration pulling out of the parking lot there. The CVT, I feel like, gets this thing up to speed quicker because you're not having to worry about the shift points or necessarily the gear ratio, but it does have a bit more of a grunt to it, I think, as well. And I think that does have to do with just the immediate pull you get from the continuously variable transmission. But I'd love to have these in like a head-to-head race. I just think that would be interesting to see. But I'm gonna give it a pull here. Here we go. So wasn't flooring it by any means. This is a new car, so I don't want to thrash it. But I did give it a little something in it. It's pretty quick. The turbo does its thing here. Now just cruising down the road here. Wind noise is minimal. Road noise, you can't really hear it unless you're looking for it. And solid ride quality here. I like how it's not necessarily buttery smooth, but it's very, very good. I can still feel the road while getting a comfortable ride. And I just think that you get, the way this one is equipped, this is probably the way to go if you just want a few more creature comforts as opposed to the LS, because the LS does give you quite a bit, especially if you get the optional confidence and convenience package. This one here, I still have my blind spot monitors. I get the heated seats, the single zone automatic climate, heated steering wheel is a nice touch. This one has again a few packages, but I just like how this one's equipped to be under $30,000. You can get an RS or something that's pretty nice, over 30 grand a little bit, but if you want to stay under that 30,000 mark, this is the way to go, especially with this $400 optional Marina Blue Metallic. Now, again, for the money, I think this is pretty nice. But you do have other options out there. You could go with a Kona. You could go with an HRV. But I think this is... Now, there are some days where the HRV looks like a Urus from a distance, I'm not gonna lie. But up close and personal, I feel like this is the best looking compact SUV in this class. Now the new kicks, I don't necessarily, all compact SUVs are kind of in the same class now because people will just make it bigger one year or make it smaller another year or add a new model or whatever. So obviously it does have competition, but especially, I can't say enough about this blue. This is the way I would get mine. Whether I got it in an RS, an LT, an LS, it's just worth the $400 for me to have something that's this nice. Now I want to give one more thank you to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Trailblazer today. I'll leave a link below in the description. They do offer a lifetime powertrain warranty on their new vehicles, so whether you have a V8, 3-cylinder turbo, 4-cylinder turbos, V6, whatever, 9-speed, automatic, CVT, as long as you keep up with the maintenance, all of your parts for your drivetrain is covered under their lifetime powertrain warranty. You just pay a small deductible. And if you're looking to get the best price on a vehicle closer to you, you don't want to necessarily travel out this far, just make sure you click that second link down below. It takes a minute to fill out that information, and I'll get your local dealers fighting to get you the best price on one of these, or any new vehicle. But the Trailblazer is nice, especially for commuting. You get the best of everything: fuel economy, pretty decent acceleration, and the features that you get here are nice as well. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT.